Welcome to your online classes. Good morning, students. Today we are going to enjoy a beautiful story with a very deep message from your English literature book, Treasures of English, under title The Four Dolls. Let us start. Dear students, in the starting of this lesson, the writer is asking a question. Who is a good human being according to you? Well, a good human being is a person who always helps the needy, who is always kind to the birds, animals, and the old people, who always obey the elders, who always speaks the truth. Let us start. In this story, a king had many wise ministers. What is the meaning of wise? Wise means intelligent. The king has many wise ministers in his court, but Jagannath was the wisest of them. Means Jagannath was the most intelligent minister of the king. One day, a sage came to the king's court. Who is sage? A sage is a person who is extremely intelligent. One day, a sage came to the king's court from a foreign kingdom. Foreign kingdom, it means from other country. Why did he come? He came to test the king's minister's wisdom. Let us start. Your Majesty, I have 3 dolls with me. I would like your ministers to tell me what message these dolls convey. Now, the sage is saying that, Your Majesty. What is the meaning of Your Majesty? It is the way of addressing a ruler or a king. I have 3 dolls with me. The sage said that, Your Majesty, I am having 3 dolls with me. What do I want? I want your ministers to tell me what message these dolls convey. The word convey means to communicate, to tell. The sage was asking the king that, I would like your minister to tell me what message is given by these 3 dolls. The king asked all his ministers to look at the dolls and find what message each doll conveys. Now the king calls all his ministers in his court and asks all his ministers to observe these 3 dolls carefully, and they have to tell what message each doll tells or gives. This has to be done within 3 days. How many days were given to the ministers? 3 days were given to solve this question. What message is given by these 3 dolls? Let us check it out. What happened next? After 3 days, the ministers assemble. What is the meaning of assemble? Assemble means to come together as a group, to get collected. And in this meeting, the sage is also present, but not a single minister was ready with the answer. Only Jagannath is ready with the answer. These 3 dolls describe different kind of people. You see, each doll has a hole in its ear. Now you can see that this dialogue is delivered by Jagannath. He is saying that these 3 dolls describe mean explain. These 3 dolls explain the different kinds of people, and each doll has a hole in its ears. Hole mean ched hona. Jagannath hands the king a piece of string. What is the meaning of string? String means thread, like dhaga. Jagannath gives the king a piece of string, and he asks the king to put this string into each doll's ear. Intrigued, the king puts the string into the first doll's ear, and it comes out of the other ear. Here you can see that in this picture, the king puts the string into the one ear of the doll and the thread or the string comes out of the other ear. It means it goes from one side and comes out from the other side. Now Jagannath says to the king that this is the first type of person. Whatever you tell him or her comes out of the other ear. Jagannath says that, Your Majesty, this first doll represents the first kind of person. Whatever you tell him or her, that comes out of the other ear. It means they listen from one ear and take it out from the other ear. He or she does not retain anything. Retain means to keep in one's memory. Means whatever you tell them, they do not keep in their mind and they listen from one ear and take it out from the other ear. The king now puts the string into the ear of the second doll. The string comes out of the mouth. The king practiced the same process with the second doll. He puts the string into the ear of the second doll. But here you can see that in this picture, the thread or the string comes out from the mouth. This is the second type of person. Jagannath said that this doll, means second doll, represents the second type of person. Whatever you tell him or her, she tells to everyone. What does it mean? It means if you are sharing your secrets with such kind of people, they tell your secrets, your feelings to each and everyone. It means they do not keep anything in their mind and they publicly share your secrets. The king now picks up the third doll and repeats the same process. The string does not reappear from anywhere. The king also repeats the same process with the third doll, but this time the string does not reappear. Reappear means to appear again, to visible again. Here you can see that the string does not come out from anywhere. What happened? This is the third type of person. Whatever you tell him or her, it is locked up with him or her. It never comes out. Now Jagannath is saying that the third doll represents the third type of person. Whatever you tell him or her, it never comes out from ear, never comes out from mouth. It is locked up within him or her, within that person. Such people never speak. Dear students, have you observed that the title of the story is The Four Dolls, but the sage was having only 3 dolls. Now the question comes in our mind, who takes out the fourth doll? Yes, let us check it out. Jagannath then takes out a fourth doll. It means fourth doll was taken out by Jagannath. This is a doll I made myself, Your Majesty. Put the string into the ear of this doll. Now Jagannath is saying that the fourth doll is made by me, Your Majesty. Put the string or repeat the same process with this doll also. What happened? The king puts the string into the fourth doll's ears. The string comes out of the other ear. Now the king repeats the same process with the fourth doll. He puts the string into the fourth doll's ear, but the string comes out of the other ear. What happened next? Now Jagannath said that please do it again. You have to repeat this process again. The king puts the string into the ear once again. It comes out of the mouth, means it comes out from the mouth. Here, dear students, the king is practicing this process with the fourth doll only. First, he puts the string into the ear and in first time it comes out from the ear, and when he tries second time it comes out from the mouth. All this is happening with the fourth doll. Jagannath asked the king to repeat the process. Again, Jagannath asked the king to repeat the same process again. This time the string does not come out at all. The king practiced the same process or repeats the same process with the fourth doll, but this time string does not come out at all. Jagannath said, "This is the best type of person. To be a good person, one must know when not to listen. Means when it is not necessary, good person must not listen. When to speak, when it is necessary, we must speak. And when to remain silent, a good person knows when to remain silent." It means these are the qualities of a good human being. Dear students, we got the answer of the question that was asked by the writer in the starting of the story. What was the question? Who is a good human being? The king is very pleased with Jagannath and appoints him as his minister. King was very happy with the observation skill of Jagannath, and Jagannath proved himself as the wisest minister of the king, and king appoints him as his prime minister. Dear students, today we have enjoyed a very beautiful story under title The Four Dolls with a very deep message. I hope you enjoyed the story. We will meet in our next class. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Have a nice day. Thank you.